Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to block location access in Chrome on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's dive into the method. First, load Chrome. Tap on the three-dot icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen, although it might be elsewhere depending on your device. From the menu, tap on Settings, then scroll down and select Site Settings. On the next page, scroll down again and choose Location. Ensure the toggle switch for location is turned off. That's it. You've successfully blocked location access in Chrome on your Android phone. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.